everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 19th of May 2022. So these series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So which private insurer in India was the first to offer dental insurance? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is PNB MetLife. So recently PNB MetLife Insurance has launched its first dental plan through which customer can secure their dental health at any time. So basically this dental package offers the customer the complete package of benefits and also financial assistance with costs related to the dental health. Okay, so now next question. Which company has cooperated with NSE Academy Ltd to develop a financial awareness program for college students? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is HDFC Bank Mutual Fund. So recently the NSE Academy Ltd collaborated with HDFC Mutual Fund for financial awareness program. So the program will be offered to the college student across India. So basically this collaboration helped to equip college student with the foundation knowledge of the personal finance investing. So it consists of 9-hour course which also present in HDFC. Okay, so now next question. Which city will host India's first international conference on cruise tourism in 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is in Mumbai. So recently the Ministry of Ports, Shipping, Waterways, the Government of India and FICCI have jointly organized India's first international cruise conference 2022. So in this conference, total of 8 MOU have been signed that were related to many key issues like policy hub, port infrastructure, the role of technology in post-pandemic, etc. So the Union Minister of Culture, Tourism, G. Kishan Reddy informed that they were also working on the comprehensive Indian nation tourism policy, where they will keep cruise tourism will certainly be a priority sector. So the main objective of the conference is to highlight regional connectivity and also promote the building of new destination and attraction like lighthouse. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following country receives the largest remittance in the world? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is India. So according to estimates, it is expected that remittance to be increased by 4.2%, USD 630 billion in 2022. According to the World Bank's latest Migration and Development report, this increase in the remittance will be follow an almost record recovery of USD 8.6 in 2021. So while India emerged as the largest remittance receiving country in 2021, while Mexico occupied second place and pushed China to third place. Okay, so now next question. Who has been appointed as a Gram Unnati new non-executive chairman? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Sunil Arora. So the Gram Unnati is a social venture that helps farmers increase their net income by increasing price realization in exchanging agriculture productivity and lowering cultivation costs. So basically the Sunil Arora, the former Chief Election Commissioner, has been named as the new non-executive chairman of Gram Unnati board. So the Arora is retired civil servant with over 36 years of experience. So he has worked as a secretary of two important ministries, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Okay, so now next question. Who was recently named as a Larsen and Turbon's MD and CEO? So the correct answer of this question is option B. So recently N. Subramaniam, the current Deputy Managing Director and President of L&T, has been named Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, marking the first change of the guard at the top of India's large engineering and construction corporation in 18 years. So basically S.N. Subramaniam will replace A.M. Nayak as the CEO of the company. Okay, so now next question. Who was recently appointed as Royal Enfield Chief Executive Officer? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is B. Govindam Rajan. So recently B. Govindam Rajan is appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Royal Enfield. He will also serve as a whole-time director of the board of the E-Rickshaw Motors Limited. So since 2021 August, Govindhan Rajan has been serving the company as an executive director, prior to which he was associated as a chief operating officer since 2013. Okay, so now next question. With immediate effect, the Indian government has prohibited the export of which cereals? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is wheat. So the Indian government has prohibited wheat export, claiming a threat to food security, partially owing to the conflict in Ukraine, as the biggest heat wave reduced supply and pushes local price to new highs. So despite not being one of the world's top wheat exporters, India's prohibition might drive global prices to new heights, putting a strain on improvising customer in Asia and Africa. So the prohibition would not last indefinitely and might be changed, authorities said during a press briefing. Okay, so now next question. Who has been named as the Executive Director by the Reserve Bank of India? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is both A and B. So recently Rajiv Ranjan and Siti Katna Patnaik have been named Executive Director by the Reserve Bank of India. So the Rajiv Ranjan was the advisor in charge of the Monetary Policy Department and the Secretary to the Monetary Policy Committee before bringing appointment to the Executive Director. So the Patnaik was an advisor at the Department of Economic and Policy Research before appointed to Executive Director. Okay, so now next question. Which company's sluggish IPO has resulted in a loss of nearly rupees 50,000 crore to investors? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is LIC. So the Life Insurance Corporation of India shares made a sluggish start on the stock exchange, trading at a discount to initial public offering prices. So the share of the insurance began trading on BSE and NSE 8.11% from the IPO price of rupees 949 per share. So the stock fell despite fact that the Sensex and Nifty were in the green. Okay.